Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be teaching you how to create a YouTube banner. In case if you don't know what a YouTube banner is or if you don't know how it looks like, this is what it is. This is my other channel. I made a YouTube banner for it, so I'm about to make for this channel and I want you all to see how I'm going to do that. So if there's any question, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll come through for you. Alright? So in creating a YouTube banner, you just need your phone, an internet connection, and the best app for it, which is Canva. Okay, you can use Canva to create your thumbnails, your YouTube thumbnails. You can also use it to create a YouTube banner. So with that much being said, let's get straight into what we came here for.
Open your Canva app. Of course, it uses an internet connection. In case if you don't have, you're free to download it now. The app is free and is the best tool for editing your, your thumbnails or even your YouTube banner. Then on the search bar, you type YouTube banner and it's going to bring out many YouTube banners for you to choose from. Of course, there are pro ones, but a lot of people love to go for those free ones. People like me. Then for me, I need something simple and not too complicated. You can choose your type, the one that's best for you. So I've gotten what I wanted, I'll add it and I'll begin the edit. It's so simple, just click on anyone and add in your own information. And in Canva, you can create your own YouTube banner without having to pick the already made ones. So this one is stress-free. I'm done with the text, I'll add my image. Here, you have to select a very clear image for it. Then I'll go to my image and select a clear and bold one and I'll add it. Once I add it, it will automatically add. I think I also need to adjust these text. There are many rooms for adjustments. You can change the fonts and the style of your text here. I think it's better this way and I have to put them in all capital letters. I think it's okay, so I'll just go ahead and download it. Click on download and it will begin to download. Once it's done, you can now add it to your YouTube channel. But there was a problem that came up here that I wasn't able to download the image. So what next will I do? Hold on. I'll go back to my project and long press to select multiple. Then after that, I'll adjust the frame, then save it again. You only do this if it's had problem downloading. So this is another method to save it. You see, so now it's successfully done. Let's head over to our YouTube. You will go to your profile, click on view channel, click on edit channel, then click on channel settings. Tap on your cover photo and choose in your gallery. Then you adjust it to fit. Once you're done with that, click on save and it will automatically be updated. And we are done. It's not that difficult. Try yours.
I hope this video was helpful. Please, if it was, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like this video, and if there's any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all for watching my video. I would like to see you on my next video. Bye.